Hey guys, it's Mindy again. We're gonna give this another go, since I think I was sideways last time. So for those of you who watched the last video, definitely leave us a comment here and let us know what you're gonna use these awesome products for to capture the moments in the lives of the guys in your life. And so leave your comment here and we'll show it all again. So today we wanted to give you a sneak peek on some of the awesome products coming your way August 1st. So we're going to start with our My Guy double layout kit. The double layout kits are awesome. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them. Tons of paper to work with. So this one is definitely a more masculine line, which we've heard a lot of people wanting. So that's super exciting. We've also been talking a lot at Kiwi Lane about how we want to make sure that we're in the pictures, in the memories that we capture. And we all have men in our lives, whether that's grandfathers, fathers, sons, brothers, husbands, and they're just as important. We want to make sure we capture the stories that they had to tell as well. And this layout kit is going to be the perfect one to help you do that. So let me show you these awesome patterns. We've got this really fun outdoor mountain adventure pattern. So if you have an outdoorsy guy, this will be a really great paper line for you. And we also have, if he's not outdoorsy or just for other occasions, we've got this word pattern with the ties and the beards that is really fun, that has all the definitions of the men in our lives. And I'm going to show you these fun patterns and how they pop. We've got the supporting plaid. Everyone loves plaid, right? And this is really great and pops off that mountain pattern really nicely. We also have this fun stripe, and it looks really great with this pattern as well. So these colors in this line are definitely manly colors, blues and grays and creams and browns. We've got this really fun tree pattern and this other chevron, and then we've got a nice green blender and a gray and a blue. Really fun designs. And of course, like in all the double layout kits, you still get the 4 background sheets. So we've got our browns and our creams and our greens and the blues. So lots of really great colors and designs in this layout kit that you're not going to want to miss. So to go with this double layout kit, we also have a new 12-inch border that we're really excited about. It's been a while since we've released a new 12-inch border. This one's called Boulevard. I think this one's going to be one of my favorites. It's got some really fun curves and peaks that are all mixed together in the same border set. So I will show you this. Hopefully you guys can see it. Look at all the points and the rolling hills that all combine. This would be a cute mountain pattern as well. Kind of looks like a mountain. You'll also notice on this 12-inch border we've added the measured markings. So we don't all scrapbook 12 by 12. Some do 8.5 by 11, some do mini borders. So we decided to put the markings to make it that much easier for all of you to make the album pages of any size you have in mind. Here is our 3A and 3B. Lots of fun drastic curves in that one. And this one is a little bit wider. Let's turn that around so it's a little bit wider on the sides, taller on the edges, and really fun drastic points and curves in that one as well. So this is a really fun set, Boulevard. Make sure you put that on your checklist. And then we also have Mountain Ala Carte. It's a fun curved mountain look. And for those of you that are Kiwi Club members, if you were lucky enough to get last June's Kiwi Club, a year ago, 2018 June, the Wilderness set also has a mountain piece in it, but it is pointy. So you'll notice that this is rounded, this one's pointy, but they layer really, really cute together. So if you were lucky enough to have this one, definitely put it together with this one and you can create a whole mountain scene that will be really fun for your page. And then, last but not least, we have our tie a la carte, which would be really fun on your manly pages or a Father's Day card, or any special occasion that you want to remember. So this is really fun. You could make a patterned tie, you can make a plain tie. Possibilities are endless on that one. This would be really cute for dance pictures of your teens as well. You know, when they get all fancy and dressed up, gotta have the tie. So definitely, those are being released August 1st, so definitely reach out to your instructor. Let her know you want to order those. And also, check in tomorrow for another sneak peek at a lot of other, a few other items that are coming your way in the August 1st release as well. Lots of fun things coming this release. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to leave your comment on what you are going to use these items for, and we'll pick 4 lucky winners to win them before you can buy them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.